What's up, everybody? It's Silver, and today I'm going to be putting together the Scorbunny Model kit. It looks very adorable and pretty simple, so let's go ahead and unbox our little friend, our little bun friend. Okay, so this one has instructions printed in the box. That's how you know you're dealing with an easy one. That's how you know you got an easy one on your hand, if they have the instructions printed inside the box. So, again, you don't need to know Japanese to put these together. They're just pictures. Just follow the pictures. Alright, wow, we only have just one single thing to deal with here. Oh my god, is Scorbunny's cheese a sticker? The cheese on its face. Whoops. Flinging things around. Okay. It's a little smaller than I thought it would be. Granted, these are very inexpensive. I think this is like 400 yen, which is like $4. Alright, so what do they want us to start with? And here's our little sticker sheet. The less the stickers, the better. Words to live by with a model kit. Okay, they want us to start with the eyes. Oh no. This is kind of creepy. Kind of creepy. Alright, they want us to take... Do they want the back of the head? Yes. So all of them are numbered for easy understanding. So they just want... This is just like Alcremie. The newer Pokemon model kits are so much nicer than the old ones. Like if you're a veteran, if you're a veteran from my YouTube channel, you know some of those old model kits are not the best. I swear, stay up. Bring in Slowpoke. Slowpoke will help. Okay. So there we have Demon Scorbunny. Oh, so what do they want us? Oh, okay, so the cheese is not, in fact, a sticker. Alright, very simple. Perfect. Okay. And just like that, we're already on our way. Then they want the back of the head. There's so few pieces on some of these model kits, it's like, wow. Okay. So they just want us to snap them together. Easy enough. Ooh, a satisfying click. That is a satisfying click. The top of the ears are different. Okay. Oh, that's because they're right here. Which is exactly what they want us to do next. Okay. Oh, geez. This one is, it's stuck in here. Hey, he's coming just like that. In like 2 seconds, Scorbunny's already coming together. He's got the cheese. He's got the soulless eyes. It's perfect. All right. Do they want... Okay, they want us to do all the stickers now. Oh boy. I'm actually gonna tilt it so I can see what I'm doing. All right, it's sticker time. I'm scared. Everybody, I'm scared. I am going to get my tweezers out. I do recommend... I don't think you need anything like pliers, but tweezers definitely help. Alright. If I could find them, that would be great. My drawers are a mess. Okay, I got them. Tweezers acquired. Okay, so what should we start with? I guess let's do the eyes first. Gives Scorbunny a little bit of life. Okay. Not bad. A little bit of space on the side. You could kind of shift them with your fingers or your thumbs. All right, I'd say that's pretty good, right? Or good enough. There, he's less he's winking. There we go. Perfect. So we got the eyes. They want 11. Oh, that's the nose. They want me to put a sticker on the nose? I feel like the nose is fine. Okay. I don't know about this sticker. They want us to put a sticker on the nose. Yeah, well, that's okay, I guess. Up close, you can see it's a little crinkly. Anytime they want you to put a sticker over something that's, like, curved, can be kind of annoying. That looks okay, though, I think. This is probably gonna get fast-forwarded if I decide to upload this on YouTube. Okay. Close enough, yeah. A little close enough. Where do the other pieces of cheese go? That's the only thing we have left. Cheese, please. Okay, they go on the bottom of the feet, so we don't have to worry about the stickers for now. Yes, you are right. It's feet. Okay, come back, Slowpoke. Oh, you need your crown. There you go. There you go, buddy. All right. We did it right the first time. It totally didn't mess it up. You saw nothing. All right, on to step 2. So we need A2, which is this one. You gotta put together its little body. So 9. And then 8. This is, I thought it would be bigger. This is so small. I mean, Scorbunny does have a big old head, but... Look at this. This is like a... Hello, my baby. Hello, my dog. Sure. Okay. A2, 10 and 14. 10. 14. Okay, this is simple enough. Wait. 10. I say it's simple enough. Okay, it just needed to be angled. Sort of? Please? Eh. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. This is a very unfortunate part about these, is that, when something goes in the wrong way, it is an absolute nightmare to try to pull out. Okay, please. Connect correctly. Thank you. Okay. I think we're putting together an arm right now. Which arm? Which razzle-dazzle? Okay, we have like a little L here. Doesn't want to... Okay. Let's do the other arm. Let's do the other arm, which is A1... Oh, this is such a good song. 3 and 2. What is this version? Is this from like Black and White too? Sometimes you just have to try. Sometimes you gotta go for it. This is the L side. Okay. There's one. There's two. There's this weird little, his weird little body. And we gotta do the feet. The feet. So A2... 7 and 1. 7... and 1. Saw the Mario movie today. Was it good? Was it good? Gamer movie. Yeah, the FNAF movie is coming out at the same time as like a new Saw movie. That's funny. Okay, there we go. So this sheet is completely done. Don't need it anymore. And then I can imagine how this is gonna go. So they want us to do A2, 12, and 11. Yep. Okay. Yeah, the Mario movie has licensed music in it because of course it does. The Sonic movies have those same problems. Like they, for whatever reason, they don't use Crush 40 music. They're like, here's a random pop culture song. Scorbunny, what is this clown nose piece right here? Oh, it's his tail. Oh boy. Who really is the clown here? Who's the real clown? The funniest thing about the Mario movie, chat, is that they credit the Donkey Kong rap as Donkey Kong 64. They did not credit Grant Kirkhope. It's credited in the movie credits as Donkey Kong 64. Isn't that something? Isn't that something? I mean, wouldn't you be upset? I would be upset. That's really lame. That's really lame. Oh, where's your neck piece? Right here. It reminds me of when they didn't put Colleen's name on the poster for the Sonic 2 movie. Because she's a voice actress, you know, and not like a big movie star, and people had to like outcry, which is ridiculous. Alright, now we just gotta put the stickers on the feet. Yeah. Poor Grant. That stinks. I feel for him. I feel for him. Because the Donkey Kong rap is great. Let's not get it twisted. It's great. Come on, Scorbunny. One last piece of cheese for your feet, please. There we go. Ta-da! He is complete. He is complete. We totally didn't mess up and put some stickers on in the wrong order. But besides that, yeah, that took like 2 seconds. That took 2 seconds. I honestly forgot Scorbunny's tail was like a poof and not like a big rabbit tail. But yeah, the back of the stickers maybe isn't the best. That was actually quite annoying. The ear stickers were really bad. I wish they had just done a, you know, like they did this orange. Why couldn't they have done that orange? Again, as always, the fewer the stickers, the better. But this one's all right. You could definitely put this together if you're, you know, if you have kids or whatever. Super easy, and it's cute. It's quite cute. Fair size too. Like it's not as big as I thought it was gonna be, but it's still, you know. Here's a random Funko Pop for comparison. Does he stand okay? He does. Perfect. He does stand. All right. He does stand. So we'll put all of this away. And slide the box back on. Whoops. Yeah, there we go. There's Scorbunny all put together. Again, the stickers are really annoying, but besides that, it looks great. It looks cute, very simple, and nice. It's, you know, it's sad that they never made Sobble or Grookey. I wonder who the marketable starter is, but hopefully they'll make Spriggy, Fuecoco, and Quaxley. I would love for them to make the Gen 9 starters. They can fix the errors of the past. But yeah, if there's any other model kits y'all would like to see me put together, let me know. Blah, blah, blah. YouTube outro. Blah, blah, blah. Hooray. Happy Easter or something.